Your lesson essential question is, how can you use partial sums to add two-digit numbers? So again, today we're going to continue adding with different strategies. And we're going to be adding using partial sums. I know that the sum is the answer to an addition problem. The word partial, I can see, has the word part in it. So partial means part of. So we'll be adding parts of the sum and then putting them together. We'll do that by looking at our tens and then looking at our ones. So I have 57 plus 28, and I've already put your place value blocks there. So 57, we've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, and then we're adding 28. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, and 28. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at our tens place and then we'll look at our ones place. So in my first number I have 5 tens. And then in my second number I have 2 tens. In my first number I have 7 ones. In my second number I have 8 ones. So 57 plus 28. Let's add our tens together. So we've got 5 tens, which is 50. And then we have 2 tens, which is 20. $10, $20, $30, $40, $50, $60, $70. 7 tens all together, which equals 70. Now looking at our ones, we've got 7 ones and 8 ones. So 7 plus 8, which equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 has 1 10 and 5 ones. So my partial sums are 70 and 15. Now all I need to do is put those two partial sums together to find the whole sum. So I can see that in 70 I've got 0 ones, and in 15 I have 5 ones. 0 plus 5 is 5. So altogether I have 5 ones. I have 7 tens, and then in 15 I have 1 10. 7 and 1 is 8. So altogether I've got 8 tens. So my answer is 85. I put the partial sums together to get the actual sum, which is 85.